So we can start our project. Go to collab.collab in Google search and choose upload. And we have downloaded the file that is called final as of now. Then drag and drop here. So it is uploading successfully. Show here. And then we have to click here files and then we have to edit in notebook settings hardware accelerator to GPU save and for, just wait for this something is coming here. It's connecting to a runtime to enable file browsing. Okay, then we have seen this folders, then we are ready to go. We run the cell by here and then install the modules. Make sure that this folder will keep here. Here are downloaded our modules. So we can see that it is completely run. Then move to next. We are importing our modules. Then we have selected the language for easyOCR. Wait for some time that it is downloading some files and in the collaboratory, not in our local computer. So no need to worry about data. So here is the main file in the main cell which has to be run, and here we are seeing the output of the file. It is executing very fast because we have enabled the GPU to do this. And this output is also captured in demo file 1.txt. So it is about to finish. And I will show you what is in the video. I think it is not opening here. Yeah, here it is. this is the content of that video try1.mp4, and here we can see that it is extracting this abstract of the project, title, introduction to the project, and many things. So I can close this video. So we can see that it is output from the, means it is the text recognition from the video in Google Colab. If you are running in your local machine, then try this also, because it is a user's speaker module which can read the recognized text. And make sure to close cap.release and f.close. It will release the file. We can see a demo file 1.txt and with the output. So here is our output, we can verify there. Yeah, here is our output. It is very lengthy, but it is the output. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.